Today I'm going to do a reading for the sun sign of Aries for this week as well as for the rest of the month. So today the sun sign Aries, the reading is going to be for general sun sign Aries, sun, moon, rising Aries. Cross watchers also, you can take some assistance from this reading. You take what resonates with you and leave the rest. So I will be doing the reading for the month of September, starting from the 22nd to the end of September. So let's see, Aries, what is there in your reading? So angels, guides, please guide me for Aries for the month of September, from the 22nd of September to the rest. So let's see what's there in your reading. So there's going to be another shuffle. Let's see, Aries for September 22nd to the end of September. So I'll just show you the cards. Let me pull it first. Good, Aries. Things are looking bright for you. So I'll have 6 cards and I'll explain what is coming up, right? And the back of the deck is this. Right. So the first one. Something good is coming your ways, Aries. Something nice, something victory. I see victory for you. I don't know, maybe you've been stuck up in some kind of a situation where you're not seeing victory presently, but yes, by the end of this month, you're surely going to get victorious. Next, the Ace of Pentacles. So you're going to receive some money. That's not a money that you are looking for right now, or you also don't know whether you'll get this money or not, but yes, you're going to get. This will take you by surprise, by the way. Next one, this. So over here, what I can see that some difficult situation you have come across in your life where you have been left out in the open, but you have found someone to help you out as well. So there has been tough time, but you're getting out of it. Next, you're juggling between a lot of activities. So give yourself some breather, take some rest, but you will be able to manage everything perfectly. But the thing is that don't take much stress on yourself for this. Now, I see you being surrounded by a lot of work, a lot of stressful situations, and you're blindfolded also to the situations to some aspect, because you can also see that things are lying in front of you, but you cannot because you're blindfolded. So there are opportunities around. I want to say that. So you just look for it, and I know that you're being surrounded by a lot of challenges, but definitely this first card, this shows victory. So have your patience, you will definitely have victory in life. You're very straightforward in whatever you say, so some authoritative position you might get, some job opportunity or starting up your own business. If you have thought about it, go ahead, you will be getting victory in that. So that's a very nice thing. So I see all positive cards, Aries, so nothing bad in this month. And at the back of the deck, I see you, as because I've seen this as well. So you're being surrounded by challenges, you're trying to find a way out, and you will. As because of this, you will get a solution. So a good month, Aries. All the best. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest.